Partners acquires veterinary clinics, and when we operate and manage them. We have 60 across the United States now, and we're acquiring them at a clip of about 1 a week. We're all about scaling up our ability to acquire more hospitals faster. And to do that, you just can't have manual processes. You need transparency, you need analytics, and you need workflow, all of which TotalAgility gives us. What we were looking for is really a platform, I guess, and Kofax talks about system of engagement. That's exactly what we were looking for. And we used AP as a very clean first implementation, right? To start it there. It's a well-understood process. Everybody does it. And Optima Global had a great framework for that. One of our initial goals for the project was don't disrupt the practices. So get the benefits of automation in, but only disrupt headquarters. The less time they spend inside a practice worrying about getting invoices paid, the more time that practice manager can spend on thinking about delivering better care. And this is where Kofax and TotalAgility is really a great fit for us. Our processes were very manual on the financial and accounting side. So the practice orders a product, receives whatever they ordered, the goods, and then they'll initial the invoice, drop it on a scanner twice a week, alphabetized, and that drops onto a file server in the folder for each practice. And then if I'm in Accounts Payable twice a week, I have this massive PDF that I have to open, manually split up, save each PDF as an invoice with the vendor name on it. And you can think about how labor intensive that is. Oh, by the way, then I have to open each invoice, type it into our ERP system, and then get it paid. So very labor intensive, very manual, very prone to data entry errors as well. The biggest difference is they used to have the Microsoft Dynamics client up, and now they have Kofax TotalAgility up in a browser. So in terms of integration with Dynamics, we went for a very simple process. It's batch upload. So when it's finished in TotalAgility, we pull up a little VBA program that just lists out, here are all the invoices that are ready to be batched into Microsoft Dynamics. Click go, and it's submitted. And it is faster, it's more efficient, it's doing literally everything that we want it to do. We were looking for an 18-month payback just in terms of the number of new accountants that we need to hire, and we're on track to achieve that. So one of the benefits we knew was going to be there, but we didn't know how powerful it was going to be, is just the analytics. How can you improve a process if you can't figure out are you getting any better at it? So in the old world, we had no way to track that. In the new world, we know exactly what's happening, where each invoice goes, how many duplicates we got, who processed which invoice fastest, what the average cycle time is for an invoice. You could just see, accountants like numbers, and you could just see their eyes light up when they started to get some of that information. But the level of transparency that we got, even though you know you're going to get it, once you have it, it was a welcome surprise. If one of my peers came and asked about an accounts payable automation solution, I'd absolutely tell them that if you don't have accounts payable automation, you need it. And Kofax TotalAgility would be a great place to start with that.